going to show you some quick painting tips. The first trick I'm going to show you is how to make a moon. So I'm getting a bit of white on my finger, as you can see. And then I'm just making a circle with my finger to make a moon. Next, I have a piece of tape so that I have a perfectly straight horizon line. And those are a couple of quick painting tips. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on Facebook and Instagram under Artwork by Haley, and visit my website at haleysolmeyer.com. Keep creating!